Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to add text in Vegas Pro 17. Let's start. So first of all, you want to open your Vegas Pro 17. Okay, it's opened. You want to right click, insert the video track. You want to right click again, insert text media. So this is where we're going to add our text. So let's highlight this and type in welcome to the channel. You want to highlight this and change the font to make it smaller. Let's say 20. Yeah, okay. So this is to change the type of the text, the type of font you have. I'm gonna use Bebas Noon. Yeah, then you have the possibility of putting it. Make sure you always highlight your text before you change any settings. Okay, so Bebas Noon, you can put it on bold, italics, your choice, left alignment, center alignment, right alignment. So let me show you how the center alignment will be. Right now it's on the left alignment, so let's change that. Okay, so just highlight everything, Ctrl A and center. It's on the center. So let's just increase the size. You can increase the size from these corners here. Just drag them. Yep. So to increase the size. Okay, so you can change the color. Any color you want. Let's put it on blue. For the animation, I would do that in another video. So you have the option of going to advanced. Well, advanced, you don't really need that. It's just the background. So leaving the background, you can change the background color, blue, green, and if you drop this is gonna be a transparent background. Yeah. So tracking, line spacing between the words. So reduce that, you can increase it. Then we go to outline. For outline, let's choose a red color. Okay, so you want to be careful when you're increasing your outline width, so it doesn't destroy your text. So for the outline, it can be, you don't want to do it too much. Maybe something like this should be okay. Yeah. Then let's go to the shadow, but most of the time I don't really use outline. I mostly use shadow. For shadow, you might want to turn this off. Then shadow, click enable. Choose your shadow. Let's use a green shadow. Doesn't look that nice. Okay, so x-axis, let's move it a little bit. Okay, so here we're gonna reduce the y-axis just slightly, and there you go. I think this looks alright. So you have your blue text and the green shadow. The green shadow is not that exposed, so it looks nice like this. Then you have the opportunity to blur your shadow. You could increase it. That's how it looks. Some people might like it, but I don't really like the blur shadow, so I usually leave it like maybe a 0.5, between 0.5 and 0.7. So let's leave it at 0.612, and mostly that's all. So you have edited your text and it looks nice. I'm gonna cancel that, and this is your text. So let's see it. It's nice. You can add a fade in and a fade out. Still your choice. So welcome to the channel, and a fade out. That's all. Then since you want to put it on a video, just import your video and lay that over the video. I'll show you how to do that in another video. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys got some value out of this video. Subscribe, like, comment, share. Tell me what video you want me to post in the future. I read all comments, so just post it in the comment. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Stay safe.